flesh. Okay, I'm done. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you think you're gonna throw up, if you're happy and you know it, clap. Okay. I'm tired.
Let me hold it.
Die. What do I do?
Just stand and act crazy.
Let's go to the monkey bars.
Okay.
It's still going. You're after my feet.
After this, let's stop. Because I feel like I'm going to throw up, dude.
Seriously?
Yeah. Okay. I'm stopping. I'm tired.